God will continue to strengthen you, that he will continue to walk with you, that he will continue to guide you into all truth. Had a few messages said in the midst of what you're preaching, you have not closed out saying he died. I want to finish my sermon with 7 words. He came, he died, he got up. The doors of the church are open.
Hallelujah.
We offer Christ to you. Come to Jesus just as you are.
Oh, yeah.
In him you'll find shelter. In him you will find comfort. In him you will find rest.
Oh, yes.
If that person is you, if you are hearing this sermon, and you want Christ in your heart, maybe you've accepted him and you strayed away. Maybe you allow life to separate you from your relationship with him. Maybe you've heard of him but never invited him in. Repeat after me. Father, I'm a sinner. Father, I come short of your glory. Forgive me. I believe Jesus is your son. I believe he came, he died, and he got up to buy my pardon. I believe that he's sitting on your right hand, making intercession for me. Most importantly, I believe that one day he's coming back to receive me unto himself. Clean me up, create me a new heart, a clean heart, and renew the right spirit within me. In Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Again, God bless you. God bless you. Our teleconference, Facebook, and YouTube family, God bless you for joining in with us. We thank you again. We pray that in the midst of what's going on, that you all will stay safe. Praying that you all would stay focused on the fight. Understand your history. I believe Marcus Garvey said that a people that don't know their history really do not understand their future. Dr. King said that in everything be determined in your protesting. Myself along with the ministers have vowed that we will do everything within our power to enhance and empower our community to know what's going on and to assist in this fight. That we will become, as an individual, and be recognized as equal individuals in this country. I want to thank April Woodard for getting the shirt done for me at such a last minute notice. I stand with my brothers and sisters in Minnesota with the Floyd family, with all of those who are putting forth an effort to bring an end to the injustice and, as stated, the oldest problem in America. We are praying for you. We are praying for you. Do not hesitate to send your prayer requests. We are praying for you. We thank you again, YouTube and Facebook. We are praying for you. Last week we had a few prayer requests in the midst of me preaching. We are praying. Although we reach across the country, I still pastor in my local body. And so, Sister Bobby, we want you to know that we are still praying for Robert and his family. Amen. Sister Barbara, we want you to know that we are still praying for you and your family, that God will heal. And we are still praying for Sister Arcilla Young, the wife of our Deacon Young. And to all of those who have sent prayer requests, we are praying for you. We are praying for the protesters. We are praying that God will cover them. Praying not just for the protesters, I'm praying for all of those who are on the front line. My hopes is that the commander-in-chief will somehow take responsibility for his role in the promoting of this and make an effective change. Someone on his team will allow him to understand that the incompetence that he is displaying is not acceptable, professional, nor is it respectable amongst the people that he's supposed to be leading. For those of you that want to give